Double Dog Dare, the game show that dares you to win cash.
This is Billy Bob, and we on Double Dog Dare. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get our next contestant. So that means we need the clipboard lady. Watch out. We got, oh, did you see her bump up against me? That must be my cousin. Oh, our next contestant is Crystal Crystal is our next contestant on the Double Dog Dare game show. How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
It's time to do Double Dog Dare.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes, I think I am.
First
ready.
one's gonna be $10. You want to do a $10 dare?
Yeah.
Okay, the $10 dare is we're gonna spray paint her hair red.
Oh, sweet.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
You want some red hair?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's do some red hair. Right there. Okay, you want to do your glasses off? I don't want to get them all reded. All right, we're gonna make her hair red. Turn that way, turn that way. Let's do like this.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, let's do like that. Okay, turn a little more. Cause we might have to do 2 rounds here. Yeah.
That's okay.
Oh,
That's okay.
It only takes 6 weeks to get out. Oh, you can't turn your head that way. So I got to get right there, right behind you. Okay, let's start. Let me see where I'm at. Right there. I got to get right there.
Yeah, you gotta get it all in.
Yeah, we got to make it red. It ain't no good if it ain't red.
I saw your last haircut, you know.
Yeah, you like that?
Is it gonna turn out like that?
Oh, better now.
Yay.
I got my license in 2nd grade for doing hair.
Sweet.
All right, there we go. Now that right there, that got you $10 right there.
$10.
So you could either take that $10, or you could say, Billy Bob,
Billy Bob,
I'd like to do the $20
I would
there.
love to do the 20.
All right. That is awesome. Because the $20 there, it's going to make you pucker.
Okay.
Ready to pucker?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's not me. It's a lemon.
Oh, I can do that.
You got to eat a whole lemon. Rind, everything. I eat it. It's going to be like, this is where it starts,
Alright.
and that's where it's gone.
Okay. Like,
$20.
now you see it, now you don't?
Yep.
Okay.
Now you see it, now you don't. What you think?
Alright, I think I
Think
can
you can do that?
Yeah.
Here we go. Shove it in your mouth.
Go, 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 go! You can do it! Eat that! Go, Crystal! Eat that!
I'm going.
Oh, you're getting juice all over yourself. Does that happen a lot? That must be a sweet one. Let's go. Let's make it work. Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go.
The peel takes a long time to chew.
Oh, yeah, that's the best part of it. That's got the most vitamin initials.
Maybe someone knows how I'm like.
Yeah, good. Vitamin initials are good for you.
Go in there. Get it.
Can I have a taste? Oh, that was good. That is pretty good.
No, you gotta get some corn. No, take a bigger bite. That's not a bite.
And let me rub it on your chest.
It's a little boy bite. No, peel it. Let's peel it and I can eat it.
That's pretty good. That is pretty good. I like that. You know what, though? I wish it was more sour. I guess I should have gave her one that I picked yesterday.
Yeah! There you go!
Let me see. Is it all gone? Oh, that means you gotta wait till it's all. Oh, you good? You gotta wait till it's all gone.
I'm going.
When you're done, you gotta show everybody. Doggone, open up.
Mama cat.
No, we gotta. There we go. All right. Okay, that was $20, right?
Yes, that's cool.
You got one more to go if you want.
I'm ready.
Double it to 40. Do you want to do it? Yes or no?
Yes,
You do?
I think so.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna take this back then, cause you're going for 40. Okay, remember that dude, Bobby Bain, serial killer, Robert guy?
Okay.
We just shaved his head, right?
Okay.
We're gonna take his hair, and we're gonna pour syrup on you and throw all this hair on you, so that you two will be initialized forever.
Okay.
You good with that?
Yeah.
I mean everywhere.
Yes.
Everywhere.
Yeah, go ahead.
You good with that?
Yeah.
All right. Clipboard girl, I need the syrup in the serial killer's hair. Come on, bring it in here, clipboard girl. Hey, wait a minute.
Oh my God.
I just want y'all to know, this is a clipboard girl. She's my third cousin removed from my brother's side of the family when I kicked her out of the house. All right, but that's all right. She's good. She's good to go. She needed a job, so we did. So we're gonna.
What do I do?
You just stand there and look the way you look. Yeah, that's good right there.
Give my balance.
This is the syrup.
Give me a beer. Oh my God. Icky. Sorry.
Get this on the face, give her a beer. My dad. Rub it all over her.
Somebody else $10 to lick it off.
Oh, no, I should get the $10 if they lick it off.
All right. A little bit more right there. I missed right there. A little bit. Yep. All right. We're going to take the serial killer there. Here we go.
Oh my God, roar!
Damn, I love that. Oh, man. That's nice right there. I like her better than Charity. We're going to go out, I think, tonight. Let's go.
Oh my God!
Okay, this is Double Dog Dare. And Crystal just won $40. And she's taking me out to the backwoods.
Double Dog Dare, the game show that dares you to win cash.